What if the sweetest thing in your kitchen came from a forgotten genius who changed the world and saved lives doing it? Every spoonful of sugar we enjoy today is made possible by a man history nearly forgot. His name was Norbert Rillieux, a black American inventor, engineer, and visionary. Born in 1806 in New Orleans, a city of contrasts. He was born free, but not truly equal. In a time of slavery, Norbert was educated in France, a rare opportunity for a man of color. There he studied mechanical engineering, a passion that would one day save lives in ways no one expected. When he returned to New Orleans, he was shocked by what he saw in the sugar factories. Men were dying, scalded by open vats, breathing in toxic steam. The process was crude, brutal, and deadly. Norbert knew there had to be a better way, so he went to work. He designed a closed, steam-based evaporation system, cleaner, safer, and far more efficient. It didn't just save lives, it revolutionized the global sugar industry. His invention turned America into a sugar powerhouse and would later influence chemical and food processing around the world. But because of his race, Norbert was shut out from most business opportunities. His brilliance went uncelebrated in his own time. He eventually returned to France, where he lived in quiet dignity, his name barely whispered in the history books. Today, we still use the system he created. Safer food, cleaner production, lives saved, and yet his name remains a mystery to most. It's time we say his name. Norbert Rillieux, a genius, an innovator, and a man who changed the world one drop of sugar at a time.